up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Etsy shop review. Today, we are taking a look at Peachy Peachy London. This shop is based out of the UK, and when I was shopping, it had a lot of tie-dye fashion. What? No way! I love tie-dye! I know, right? It totally caught my eye. But while I was there, I saw a few other things, so this should be fun. I ordered quite a few things, so it was shipped in a box. And one order was in an envelope because I've made multiple orders over the last few months. Ooh, a freebie. Hey babe, thank you so much. Enjoy. Love, Peachy. That is adorable. I think this is a hip bag, aka fanny pack. My first order was all the way back in November of 2020. Then I made another order in November and a more recent one in the middle of January 2021. We're gonna come back to you later. Here is everything inside of the box. Wow, it's all so neat. Everything is individually packaged on brightly colored cardstock in a plastic envelope. I think I got a little happy. I bought a lot of stuff. I wonder if we know anyone who is willing to try all of this on. Don't play with me, Toya. Give me them clothes. Relax, Mini Toya. I totally bought it for you. Let's just set the mood. I feel like our graffiti wall is a good backdrop. And now we can get started. I ordered this set back in November, definitely giving me some fall vibes. Many of the tie-dye items are listed around $20 to $24 each. Keep in mind, prices can change. This is a tie-dye oversized sweatshirt. I'm removing it from the packaging. Look at all of that tie-dye action. Okay, I like. Here's the front, and then if I flip it over, we can see the back. And there are no openings, so this is gonna have to be slipped over the doll's head. They were not kidding when they said oversized. We can totally wear this by itself. We have nice long arms. We have neat stitching at the collar, at the cuffs, and there is a band at the bottom. This is totally my real life jam. I am all about oversized sweatshirts. They are so comfy. And now Mini Toya can rock one as well. This looks like it will totally fit our guys as well. I have another oversized sweatshirt. It has a slightly different coloring. Let me just point out that this fabric has a pretty nice weight. On the inside, this knit is kind of fuzzy, and we're getting a lot of different patterns every time. Here is a Made to Move Ken. He's a fashionista on one of the BMR 1959 bodies. But the oversized sweatshirt is a perfect fit. So yes, these can fit our guys. On our Integrity Toy girls, we might need a pair of pants. I don't know, it's up to you. And it fits our Integrity Toy guys. Oh yeah, we're gonna use these a lot. I ain't sharing. Relax, Mini Toya. There's more. This one is a hoodie, and I'm going to pair it with the matching pants. And for the record, sharing is caring. Oh, wow. If this was a navy blue tie-dye sweatsuit, we would be twinning right now. Those pants, they have pockets. Do they go all the way through? Yes, they do. So you're gonna wanna put those doll keys in a purse. But the stitching is very neat. The pants are gathered around the waist and have cuffs at the bottom. The hoodie has a working pocket in the front, a working pull string, so I need to be careful that I don't accidentally pull that all the way out. No Velcro in the back means that the outfit looks good from all angles. This pair of sweatpants can fit our Made to Move Ken doll. However, it was a little snug getting his feet through the bottom. And with the oversized sweatshirt, we can get a complete sweatsuit for our guys. This is the oversized tee. This is a nice, big, comfy shirt with a neat neckline, wide sleeves, and it stops a little above mid-thigh on our made-to-move Barbie. I have often seen this shirt paired with a hip bag. I went on the Peachy London Instagram, and I saw that sometimes this fanny pack was paired with some of the items in this collection. So let's add that. And I paired it with our faux leather orange BMR 1959 skirt to create this look. Oh my goodness, do you see me? I look like I could totally model for Peachy Peachy London. Go ahead, take a picture. But seriously, I am digging this tie-dye paired with these bright colors. I bought a couple of skirts. These were around $14 to $15. This skirt is like a really deep olive green color. It's pleated with an elastic waistband, and it's pretty long. There is no closure in the back, so it looks good from all angles. Here I paired it with the metallic Barbie Extra bodysuit and a black Barbie purse, so we can really see how flattering this skirt is on the doll. I am stalking Instagram for some inspiration, and here is another look I just saw. We are pairing the skirt with the oversized sweatshirt and the Puma hip bag to create this look. It's like elevated, comfy fashion. Out of curiosity, I wanted to see if the skirt could fit a rainbow high doll, and it can. It's just pretty long. Let's try this silver one. This one is a little shorter than the other one. Ooh, I'm feeling fancy. I really like the cut of the skirt, and I want to try it out with this blue tie-dye oversized t-shirt. This t-shirt feels pretty nice, and it has a little stretch to it. But since there are no openings in the back, you do have to be careful when dressing the doll. Wow, I am loving this blue tie-dye t-shirt. The collar is nice and neat. We are getting a lot of fun pieces that we can use across our wardrobe. Let's take a look at the mint cycling shorts. They were less than $14. These are high-waisted shorts with a black elastic waistband. Paired with the blue tie-dye shirt, I can totally chill in this outfit, work out, or sit back, relax, and stream Summer in Cali on YouTube. I'm finding that a lot of the clothes look pretty good with the BMR 1959 stuff. Here is our last skirt. It has a nice little sheen to it. It's a soft pink and it's pleated with an elastic waistband. It stops a little past the knee, almost mid-shin. I like these skirts because they look like ones I've seen in real life. One time I was in New York and you couldn't go like a block without seeing 10. If you want to dress it up, you can. If you want to keep it casual, you can do that too. This is the Galaxy Layered Tee. It was less than $20. It looks like a short sleeve shirt with a long sleeve shirt underneath. Mini Toya has a lot of hair, so I'm finding that I have to put her hair through the shirt first to get it on. This shirt is pretty long. It looks so comfortable, and I am all about comfy clothes. Ooh, it looks really good with jean shorts. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is probably one of my favorite shirts. Which is crazy because when I was shopping online, I was like, I'll pick this up for variety. And now that I see it in person, it just looks so realistic. This is the purple tie-dye oversized sweat. It was $21.99. I bought this back in November, and here is a little confession. I opened it up, tried it on, and then put it back in the packaging. So it was probably packaged neater than what I just showed you. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Just like the other oversized sweatshirts, this one is nice and big. I'm sure it'll fit our guys, and I think this purple is just so pretty. I think this is a good time to try out the hip bag. Oh wow, look at all these details. Check out all the hardware. And is this real? It is! It actually opens! That is cool. She can wear it on her waist and across the chest like a sling bag. Yeah, I can rock this. Last but not least, we have the pink tie-dye oversized sweat and the pink tie-dye joggers. Both were priced at $22.81 each, and not all of the sweatshirts are made out of the same exact material. The pink and the purple look to be similar, however, this one was fuzzy, so yeah. Just in case you wanted to know, here is the oversized sweatshirt, and here are the joggers with those pockets. I don't know why I get so excited for pockets, but I do. This oversized look is totally me, and it's a plus that the guys can fit it as well. Not having an opening in the back of the tops does force me to be a little more careful because I do not want to break a stitch. Overall, I am very happy with my items. In my opinion, the tops are better suited for dolls with more realistic proportions because there is not a lot of give at the collars. But I love the tie-dye and I really enjoy dressing my mini-me just like me. Thank you for joining us for this Etsy shop review while we took a look at Peachy Peachy London. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.